Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, as some of you may know, today is Tuesday, April 23rd, and Dollar General's Easter clearance went to 90% off and 70% for food and candy. Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, as you may know, today is Tuesday, April 23rd, and Dollar General put their Easter decor, baskets, eggs, all that good stuff to 90% off today. Now, don't forget, candy is separate, so candy is 70% off. So I just want to show you some of the things that I got. And hopefully you can go out and get some. My store, I only went to one store to shop, but I was at two other stores just looking, and all the stores were like totally packed as if like Easter was going to be like in 2 weeks. So I don't know if maybe the stores ordered too much or people just didn't buy. I'm not sure, but I was able to stock up on a lot of things. So I got a little bit of this, a little bit of that, just to show you guys what is out there and what you can get. This is a great way to save. Put it up for next year, especially if you have baskets to make, if you're going to do Easter egg hunts or anything like that. So before I jump right into it, you guys know what I'm going to say. Hit that subscription button because I need you guys to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 15K by July 1st. You can do it. You can help me do it. Hit that subscription button. Share this video with your friends, your family, your neighbors, your co-workers, church members, or whoever. All right, let's jump right into it, guys. So this is a tic-tac-toe game. And you can see it comes with the little pegs. This is great to keep the kids occupied in the car. It does say Happy Easter on it, but this comes down to 10 cents because it's 90% off. Then the napkins, these are just some dinner napkins. They're $1.50. There's 16 in a pack, so these came down to 15 cents. And then here are some little saucer plates. And these come down to 10 cents. Now, your stores may have different decorations. That's all my store had. So, and out of all three of the stores, that's all they had. So, I don't know if, people bought those up or what. These are great little DIY kits for the kids. You can put these in baskets, and they do come with the coloring pencils to go ahead and decorate the wood. These come down to 10 cents. And here's another example of one. This is a DIY mini sign. Again, 10 cents. I thought this was pretty cute. This is a cup, and it says Peeps on it. And it has a little peep at the top with the straw. And this was regularly $5. This came down to 50 cents. I thought this was super, super duper cute. These are probably going to be hard to find because people were buying these up, especially in my area, way before Easter. But it's the 2-count Easter basket wraps. And this came down to 10 cents, regularly $1. These little bubbles are cute. They are the shape of an Easter bunny. And the head screws off. And then there's bubbles inside. These come down to 10 cents. And they have these in blue, as you can see, pink and green. So those are really nice little gifts to put in the baskets. Then, like, they had all kind of, like, stuffed animals, plush stuffed animals. This comes down to 30 cents because it was $3. Then they have the mini Easter plush animals. This comes down to 10 cents. This is a little rabbit. And then I have a little chickadee here. That one comes down to 10 cents. Then here's the big chick. The big chick. This is the big chick. And this is regularly $5. So this comes down to 50 cents. These are great. I mean, you can use these all year round or save them for Easter. Totally up to you. Here, I already showed you that one, I guess. And then here's the little small. You guys know I do it every video. I drop something every video. I'm sure you guys are used to it. Here's the small chick. And the small chick is 30 cents. And look at this, guys. I thought he was so cute. Look how big he is. So he actually comes, he's regularly $8. He came down to 80 cents. I was only able to find one of him. I wish I could have found more because I would have gotten way more. I thought that was so cute. And then, of course, you guys know they have all the eggs, the different size eggs and colors and things. I didn't get any of the small eggs, but what I did get, I thought these were really cute. They're called Easter treat containers. And look, they have the rainbow on them. They're really big. Look at that. These come down to 10 cents. It's 5 in a pack. These come down to 10 cents, so I got a bunch of those. And then something else that I thought was neat were these bubble wands. And you can see they're made by Peeps. Okay, they're the giant bubble wand. And here's a blue, a pink, and a yellow. And you can see there's different designs. So I got some of those. And again, those bubble wands you can use all year round. You don't have to just use them for Easter. And then I thought these were cute too. The little bunny ears. These come down to 10 cents. They have the green, the blue, and the pink. And then I just got this egg just to be getting it, just to show you guys. But this comes down to 10 cents. It's a giant egg. And I did get this box of giant eggs. I thought this was a really good value. There are 40 eggs in here. And it comes down to 60 cents because it's regularly $6. So it came down to 60 cents. That's a very good deal. And then just to show you guys some of the baskets that I did get. So here's the little frog. His eyes are falling down. Okay, he was 50 cents. And this was the cutest basket. And I'll have some baby shark eggs that I got, but I didn't get them from there. I got them from another store. A baby shark basket, 50 cents. And then they have the bigger plush baskets. Like, let me move some of this stuff away, so out of the way, so that you guys can actually see it. Like this. This is the bigger one. The big floppy ears. The handle. This is bigger than the $5 ones. These are $8, but they come down to 80 cents. Okay. And then I got these. They had these last year, but the ones last year had polka dots on them. So these are plain this year, and these come down to 50 cents because they were $5. So that is everything I got as far as Easter is concerned. Like I said, the stores around my area are packed, fully stocked, as if Easter is in a couple weeks. So I don't know if your area is like that, but either way, I would get out there and get the stuff as soon as possible. And don't forget, if you go on Saturday, you can use your 5 off 25 coupon. So guys, that's all I got. Go out, get your Easter stuff, come back, let me know what you got. And until the next time, keep on saving.